Polymeric sand versus regular sand. Which should you use for your pavers and why? Well, the first thing you got to understand is that polymeric sand is a joint locking sand that's really meant for joints that are wider than a quarter inch. The reason being is that the sand itself has a bonding agent, so you really kind of need a large amount of it to fill into the gap so that when you spray it with water, it has enough of that adhesive in there for it to harden up. On the other hand, if you have joints that are under a quarter inch, you could use a very dry, thin sand to set the pavers. And what you're going to want to use with that is you're going to want to sweep in the sand, and then you're going to want to use a really good quality sealer that has a hardening agent in it, something like urethane, that's going to actually take the place of what the joint sand would do. So what we normally do is when we go out and look at a project, we check the spaces that are going to require a polymeric application, and then we check the spaces that will require just regular sand, and then using the sealer as a hardening agent. Hope that helps. Ask us more for any questions.